Okay, here we go, easy peasy as mustard sauce. So I use the recipe from Edmonds Cookbook. The good thing about this recipe is no matter how many times you want to make it over, you make exactly the same. So for this, you'd make 1.5 cups. If you want 2 to 3 cups, then just double it. It's a great recipe for doubling. So first thing, egg in, sugar, okay, flour, dry mustard, the hardest bit here is the mustard. If it's in a clump, it doesn't like to break up. However, once you get the mixture cooking and a bit of liquid in there, it will start to break down. So, malt vinegar and some of the juice from the corned beef. And now, we can put that on the heat. So you're on low heat, just keep stirring it so it thickens evenly, and that will break the mustard up. Just turn my handles around a wee bit. As that starts to heat up, it will thicken, and then we just alternate vinegar with juice from the pan. Just move those out of the way. You want just a little bit of patience with this sauce. Going slower than thickening it properly before you add more liquid is actually better than trying to hurry it along the whole way. So once you get it to that nice thickening point where you can see and feel the sauce getting thicker and you need to add more liquid, just turn it down a touch. And you can smell that already. Starting to thicken up really well, so we'll add more of this and we'll add more of that and we'll turn the heat down a little. So what you don't want to happen is when your pan gets too hot, you'll see around the outside it starts to look like scrambled egg. That's your egg cooking, not in the liquid. So you need to quickly get that off if you can stop that happening. Otherwise, if it's sticking to the side, by the time you get to it, it's probably gone too far and you'll need to start again. So do watch the temperature of your sauce. It's thickening nicely. The sauce itself, once you're into a rhythm of it, only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to make. But I've slowed it down for this purpose so that you can see how it comes along bit by bit. For a minute, put those out of the way. Now I have used a cup of juice from my corned beef stew. Alternatively, if you haven't got that but you just want mustard sauce, you can do it with water. and lovely. And what I do before I pour it into my jug is I put hot water in the bottom of the jug so that the sauce stays warm for longer. Just let that sit with hot water for a moment. That's thickened up beautifully, so I'll turn that off and just let it sit for a minute. That's nice and warm. Okay, now we can pour this in. And there's a little bit left over for later. And there you go. Easy as pie mustard sauce.